Hello 6th standard students. Today we will discuss about the lesson Introduction to Algebra. Coming to the introduction, the perimeter of a square. You have learnt in the earlier classes the formula for perimeter of square is a 4 into side. So that is, we can write with the alphabet, with a single alphabet, you can write for perimeter small letter P, 4 into side is S. The area of a rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth. So you can write it as area small letter A, length small letter L and breadth small letter B. So you can write it like this, isn't it? Using the alphabets. So when the letters of the alphabet represents the numbers, they are called as literal numbers. So the letters of the alphabet like A, B, C, D and all, they represent any number, then they are called literal numbers. Because side is some number and L, length will be some number, then breadth is some number, isn't it? So the alphabet, they represent the numbers, then it is called as the literal numbers. Now example 1. Write the following using the numbers, the literals and the arithmetic operation. Now what is the arithmetic operation? Plus, minus, multiplication, division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, they are called as the arithmetic operations. So using that, you can write the following. 7 less than x. So how to write 7 less than means 7 is less than x. So you will be writing x minus 7. It is not 7 minus x, 7 less than x. That is why x minus 7. 3 more than quotient of x by y. Now 3 more than means plus the quotient of x by y. The quotient means division, isn't it? X by y. So the answer is x by y plus 3. Now 5 times x added to 2 times y. So 5 times x means times means multiplication added to plus 2 times y. That means it will be 5x plus 2y. Understood? So 5 times x added to 2 times y. Now coming to the example 2. I had a 10-meter long ribbon. I used x meters of it for my doll. How much ribbon is left with me? I had 10-meter long ribbon. So first statement is total length of the ribbon I had. How much? It is 10 meter. I used x meter of it for my doll. So length of the ribbon used is x meter. So how much ribbon is left with me? कितना बचा है? तो तभी क्या करेंगे? Total minus the length used, isn't it? Total was 10. How much is used? It is x and you have to subtract, isn't it? So it will be 10 minus x meter. Understood? So total minus the length of the ribbon used. So the length of the ribbon left is 10 minus x meter. Okay, now coming to the worksheet. It is worksheet 1. Okay, write the number which is 5 more than x. Write the number 5 more than x. Means 5 more than x. More means plus. Now 3 less than y. 3 less means subtract y. 3 less than y, that is y minus 3. Now 2 times z, times means multiplication. So if there is multiplication, we are not putting the multiplication sign. Directly you can write 2z, 2 times z. Now 1/3 of x, 1/3 means 1 by 3, of means multiplication x. 1/3 of x, that is 1 by 3 x. 4 more than means plus sum of a and b. Sum of a and b. So put it within the bracket. Sum means addition. So 4 more than the sum of a and b. Now coming to the second question. Write the following expressions using the numbers, the literal numbers and the arithmetic operations. Now x added to y, x added to y, y plus x. Now m increased by 2, m increased by 2, m increased means addition plus 2. Sum of x, y and z. Sum means what? Addition. X plus y plus z. Now 2 times p added to 3 times q. 2 times p means 2p added to 3 times q. 2 times p added to 3 times q. See, when there is addition, you can write, you can interchange. But when it is subtraction, you can't. So, 2p plus 3q, you can write. But 2p added to 3 times q. So, it is 3q plus 2p. Next, 1/3 the sum of a and b. 1/3 the sum of, put it in within the bracket, sum of a and b. So 1 by 3 bracket a plus b. If you don't put the bracket, the answer will be wrong. 1/3 the sum of a and b. So 1 by 3 bracket open a plus b. Now 4 less than x. 4 less than x, that is x minus 4. Now x less than 4, x less than 4, that is 4 minus x. So the same numbers and the alphabet, but the way it is interchanged, isn't it? 4 less than x, x less than 4. Now p taken away. P taken away means what? Subtracted. P taken away from twice q. 2 times q. So p taken away from 2 times q. That is 2q minus p. Now 3 times x. 3 times means 3 multiplied by. So 3x. Next, 1/5 of y added to x. 1/5 of y added to x. 1/5 of y added to x. X plus 1 by 5 y. 5 times the sum of x and y. 5 times. Times means multiplication. So it is 5 bracket open. Sum of x and y. So 5 bracket open x plus 1. So all of you better take care. If you don't put the bracket, it will be 5x plus 1. So 5 is only for x. but here 5 is common for x and y according to this. So bracket is very, very important. So that was a question number K. Now coming to the second question, question number L, that is A divided by 6. A divided by 6. Quotient of, quotient again it is division, quotient of x by 5. X by 5. Half the sum of P and Q. Again, half bracket open P plus Q. Understood everyone how to write the expressions? Now, write the following expressions in words. So, reverse way, you have to write. Expression is given, you have to write the in words. So, x plus y means what? You can write 5 added to x or 5 more than x. Isn't it? 5 added to x or 5 more than x. Now, y minus 3 means 3 subtracted from y, or it is 3 less than y. Minus means less, plus means more. Now 2 by 3x means what will you write? 2/3. 2 by 3 is 2/3 times x. 2/3 times x. Now 4z. 4 times z. Now x by y means quotient of division. So quotient of x by y. Hope everyone is understanding. Now 2a plus 3b. So you can write sum of 2 times a and 3 times b. Isn't it? Or 3 times b added to 2 times a, or twice a added to thrice b. वैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Easy sum of 2 times a and 3 times b. Is it clear? So that was the third question. Now coming to the fourth question. There are 38 students in a class. So total number of students, how many? 38. If x more students joined the class. So number of students joined, how many? X. How many students are there in the class now? So total number of students in the class now will be how much? Earlier how many were there? 38. Now x they join means what we have to do? Add. So number of students is 38 plus x students. This is the answer. Understood? That was the question number 4. Now coming to question number 5. 3 times a triangle, 3 sides of a triangle are x centimeter, y centimeter and z centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle. So what is the perimeter? The perimeter is equal to the sum of all the 3 sides, isn't it? So sides of the triangle, you write x centimeter, y centimeter, z centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle, sum of all the 3 sides. So it will be x plus y plus Z centimeter. Now cost of 1 pen is rupees 8. Find the cost of y pens. So for the statement, cost of 1 pen is rupees 8. Therefore cost of y pens. एक का इतना, y का कितना, क्या करते हो? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो rupees 8 into y. That is how much? Rupees 8y. मल्टीप्लीकेशन करते हैं ना, एक का इतना, ज्यादा का कितना. Now Neha has 7 more toffees than Megha. If Megha has X toffees, how many toffees does Neha have? मतलब नेहा के पास मेघा से 7 टॉफीज ज्यादा है और मेघा के पास X टॉफीज है, तो नेहा के पास कितना? So number of toffees with the Megha, that is number of toffees Megha has is X. So number of toffees Neha has, how many? 7 more. So it will be X plus 7 toffees. Clear? Now coming to the 8th question. Anshul is Z years old. How old was he 3 years ago? Now अंशुल इज Z years old, मतलब अभी अंशुल का एज Z years और 3 साल पहले, एगो मीन्स पहले, उसका एज कितना था? तो क्या करने का? सब्ट्रैक्शन है ना. सो प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ अंशुल इज हाउ मच? Z years. अभी 3 साल पहले कितना था? क्या करने का? अभी का एज -3. So that is Z minus 3 years. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood this. So that was about a worksheet 1. Now coming to worksheet 2, it is a fill in the blanks using the properties of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You know the properties of a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, just like any whole number. The rule same it applies here also. So for addition, x plus y is equal to y plus x plus 0 is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. Means if you change the order of addition, the answer remains the same. याद है ना, ये सब फर्स्ट लेसन में किए हैं. सो एडिशन फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पहले ऐड करो, फिर फर्स्ट को ऐड करो. द आंसर विल बी सेम एज फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड को ऐड करके थर्ड को ऐड करने का. सब्ट्रैक्शन, x माइनस वाई इज नॉट इक्वल टू वाई माइनस एक्स. सो ये एडिशन में ठीक है, लेकिन सब्ट्रैक्शन में नहीं. x minus 0 is x itself. Now multiplication, x into y is equal to y into x. Interchange, the answer will be same. So addition, subtraction, the rule is same. X into 1 is equal to x, but x into 0 is 0. And now the distributive property, x bracket open y plus z is equal to x into y plus x into z. याद है सब प्रॉपर्टीज? ए कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, दिस इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी एंड दिस इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, isn't it? So the division, x by x, x divided by x is equal to 1. X divided by 1 is equal to x. So when you divide the same number, then the answer is 1. When the number is divided by 1, the answer will be the same number. So they same rules as the whole number. The same rules apply here. Now fill in the blanks. 2x plus y is equal to dash plus 2x. Here it will be 1. Now 4a, 2c. Now 5b, 4a. So what is missing here? 5b, isn't it? And here b, a. So c is missing. It is 2c. Now 5y minus 0. The answer remains the same. Now when you multiply 3x into 2y, 2y into 3x. Now 2p divided by 1. Answer remains the same. Now answer is 0 in division. That means first dividend will be 0, isn't it? Now 2b into how much is 2b? 2b into 1. Now minus 4x into 3y is equal to 3y into the other minus 4x. Now three numbers distributive property, x into bracket open 2y plus z is equal to x into the first number, that is 2y, plus this plus will come x into the second one, z. Now here the commutative property, associative property, three numbers are there, the arrangement is different. So 3p plus 2q first added, then r. So 3p, now you have to add the second and third. So it will be 2q and r. Hope everyone understood these two worksheets. Easy, isn't it? Okay then, bye. Thank you.